Hello everyone and welcome into the channel. My name is Brent. I kicked off this challenge with just $25 a week and now we're 20 weeks deep. So today we're going to go ahead and break down last week's action and of course a full portfolio recap. So stick around, you don't want to miss how far this challenge has came. If you're new here, I help people build long-term wealth by staying consistent through simplified investing challenges and real transparency. So hit that subscribe and give this video a big ol' thumbs up and let's grow together. So today we're going to go ahead and be covering the Investing Challenge Week 20 Tiny Deposits, Real Growth, Full Transparency. So quick recap of this past week. So I'd like to include this really early on. As far as last week, the S&P 500 put on a 0.92% gain. The stock market posted solid gains and hit multiple record highs, primarily driven by the widely anticipated interest cut by the Federal Reserve and the surge in mega cap technology stocks. Despite some mixed economic signals, investors largely embraced the risk on sentiment. So here we have Microsoft up 1.57, Oracle nearly up 6, Palantir 6.39, Apple nearly 5%, Amazon 1.46, Tesla nearly 8, Google nearly 6, Meta 3%. We do see a few positions there down, such as Nvidia, Broadcom, but we see financials doing really strong. Some of the weaker areas here that were called out were consumer defensive, real estate, utilities, but overall, the market was higher by nearly 1% on the week. Now, the Federal Reserve did come out Wednesday. As expected, the Federal Reserve cut federal fund rate by 0.25% or 25 basis points on Wednesday, with 2 additional cuts planned for 2025 and 1 in 2026, moving the target range to 4.0 to 4.25. So that is very bullish for the market, moving higher. Where you saw a lot of these tech companies kind of push higher, right? Rates go down, cheaper to take out debt, margin, and pump the market. Okay, now if you guys are just finding this challenge now, hit that subscribe button and check out the playlist from week 1. The journey builds week after week, just like real investing. So if you guys are interested to start your very own journey with just $25, I do have a link down in the below in the pinned comment. You start with just $25. You get a $25 bonus just for signing up. And if you check out the link in the pinned comment, there's also a free investment tracker, which I'll go ahead and showcase here in just a few. And with that said, on to the week 20 progress update of our portfolio. So our base investment into this account sits at $627.25. This is a combination of $25 that we deposit every Monday. We've also had a referral and we've also have credit card rewards that's kind of getting rolled into this account anytime that it reaches over $25. Now, the previous week balance for this investment account was sitting at $642.34 after we deposited the $25 and the capital gains from the past week. It's now sitting at $674.74, making our portfolio gained over this past week 0.64. Now, over the past week, we did have some rewards that was sitting in cash. I think there was around $28 sitting in cash plus our deposit of 25. We were able to pick up 0.12795 shares and bring in our previous week share count from 0.93428 to our total new grand total of 1.06223. So as far as progress towards owning a full share of VU, we have officially made it within this portfolio. We're now at 100%. So we'll have to come up with a new sort of progress there because I do like to see different objectives kind of being hit week after week. So here we have our net contributions showing down at the bottom. Our capital gains is, total return here is $47.49. 46.76 is from market gains and, return from portfolio going higher. And we did receive some dividends in this, in the past during this challenge of 0.73. The next time we're going ex dividend should be coming up here shortly. I'll go ahead to make a note in the next video of the upcoming ex-dividend date. I know we had kind of showcased it in the past, but I'm pretty sure the ex-dividend date will be coming up again here shortly. We'll go ahead and mark that in our next recap. So we can see here, as far as progress towards the $1,000 challenge, we're sitting at $674.74 of $1,000 as a challenge. We're 67.47% of the way there, already on 20 weeks. So generally, right, if you're depositing $25 over the course of 40 weeks, you would have $1,000. If you were depositing it in sort of like a saving or high yield savings account, you probably wouldn't be hitting that threshold within the time frame that we seem to be hitting it, just because capital gains has been really on our side, pushing our portfolio higher and higher week after week, where we haven't had any sort of negative value in this account. It's been positive 100% of the time that we've been in this account, which is just, kind of unheard of. Generally you start investing into something and boom, it starts falling off the cliff in the opposite direction, right? But in this case, everything's been pretty positive in this portfolio. Here at week 20, ooh, I have to fix that number. Yeah, this is 9/16/25. But let me know down in the comment section below, are there any other challenges you guys are interested in checking out? I've considered doing sort of like a crypto style challenge of depositing $25 via Robinhood, potentially, or Coinbase. I think Robinhood is less expensive to do this challenge with. But if you guys have ideas, drop them down in the comment section below. I think it'd be pretty interesting to have a bit of a kind of like round robin of depositing $25 into something like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, or different XRP, other styles of cryptocurrencies versus stock investments, right? Let me know down in the comment section below. What do you guys think? And of course, I'd like to say thank you all for watching. Want to see exactly how far we've come since week 1? Go watch the full playlist. It's like a mini journey of building wealth, $25 at a time. And again, don't miss next week. We'll see if this momentum continues. The rate cut has taken place. Is it going to be cooling off? Are we finally going to get a red week? Either way, it's all part of the progress. So before you guys go, be sure to go down below, check out the pinned comment. There is a free tracker and also a SoFi link to get started with just $25. You'll get a bonus of $25. So follow along, grow your portfolio right alongside, and let's get it going. So that is it from me. I really do appreciate everyone tuning in, hanging out, and see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.